Dear students, we can solve this problem, this truss, with apps implementations in civil engineering. So first we have to look at the joints. We have three members and 3 points, 3 joint points. So before starting, I have to introduce regarding the truss apps applications. These truss applications we can download from Google Play Store or Apple stores. Those applications regarding the truss we can use in Android and we can use in our iPhones. So I will click SW Truss applications. The first of all, we can click on the left side, the file, new file opens, like actions on the zoom extend, share and export, generate analysis reports, and the trusses. Truss we can main points, add nodes, add members, member sections, and pen in hinge support, roller support vertical, roller support in horizontal, and add loads. So this is very simple application, but multiple purpose we can use in truss analysis members. So I will open new file. I can click the add new frame names 6.13 and I click the create. So I click the exit from here. I will add nodes. So when we click the nodes anywhere in the coordinations, we added node number 1 because node number 1 equal to A, and node number 2 I will add again, and I will add the node number 3. Right now I will click the node number 1. Right now you guys see the color of the nodes, the yellow. When I select to the nodes, any nodes, the color will be changed from yellow to the green. I select the node number 1, the color is changed from yellow to the green. So we can see on the left side the node ID 1, XY coordinations and supports. So here I have to change the XY coordinations, XY coordinations and supports. So we can see on the right side on the top, I can click here, edit nodes, X coordinations 0 and Y coordinations 0. I clicked edit. So I can zoom extend. We can see the XY coordinations, XY coordinations 0. So I click the node numbers 2. See the color change from yellow to the green. So right now that means I can edit the node number 2. The Y coordinations from A to B totals length 4 meters plus 4 meters, totals 8 meters. I can write 8 meters, but Y directions is 0. I click the edit, it's okay. Zoom extend, we can see here. Right now, the same, I can click the number 3. I can edit nodes 3, X coordination of the joints 3, 4 meters, Y directions, Y height is 3 meters. I can click edit. I can click the zoom extend. Right now, we describe all the joints. The second step, we have to describe the joint number 1 and joint number 2. I click the joint number 1 and I click the supports. We have hinge supports. And again, I click the joint number 2. We have roller support. The second step is done. Right now, the third step, we can describe to the software members. I can click members from here, add the members, or on the right side top. This is the optional. I can click the members. The software is indicated for us to add members. Select nodes 1. That means we have to select node numbers. That means from start and to end. We have to select 2 nodes. I will select the node number 1. The software is indicated select number 2. That means we have to select node numbers 2 or the finishing distance. I want to select node number 3. That's the optional. For example, right now, again, I want to select node number 1 and then node number 2. Again, from node number 2 to node number 3. We finished right now all the members. The last step, we have to describe to the software the loads. According to our example, we have horizontal directions 3 kilonewtons to the joint 3. So we describe the load right now. We can select add loads. We can click add loads. I click the number 3. Right now, the software indicated for us add loads 5 kilonewtons. We can change for 3 kilonewtons. That's the very important point. If all the vector is going to the right side, that is the positive. If going the opposite side, that means the left side, we have to put minus 3 kilonewtons. The angle is 180 degree. The software, we can click the solve. The software, solve the problems and all the tensions and compressors and reaction of the point A and point B. That means joint A and joint B. That is the fourth step we can describe, and the software solve the automatic all the equations and data. Let's check the result of this truss. From joint 1 to joint 2, we have 1 members. The value of these members, after calculation of according our description of this example. 2.1 kilonewtons compressors under the compressors. Our members from joint 3 to the joint 2, 2.1 kilonewton the tension under the tensions. From point 1 to the point 2 we have another members, 1.5 kilonewton under the compressors, and reaction of the point A in vertical 1.5 and 1.5 here point joint 2 the roller support. So I hope this example is good for everybody to learn how we can solve our truss example problems, and solving this problem with apps application in our smartphones. Thank you for your watching, and see you in next lectures.